Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with day number 15 of our Advent kit. We are more than halfway through, we're powering along. Let's see what is in day number 15. Yesterday we had another beautiful paper collection, super gorgeous. Hope you liked that one as much as the first one. Open it up, Pearly. Tell me what is in day number 15.
Where's Pa's birthday? When?
Oh, Pa's birthday's 2 days after Christmas.
Oh.
We have December birthdays. Lots of them. Oh, look at that. Creative cuts to match the Mind Over Matter paper collection we got yesterday. How fun. Probably could have guessed that one, but didn't put our thinking caps on, did we? Thank you so much for watching. Us open day number 15. We'll join you again tomorrow and we'll open day number 16.
And I'm going to open the next one.
Are you really? Thank you, Pearl.
And also guess.
See you tomorrow. Bye.